9 household items to clean every day. How often do you clean and wash these household items? Every day, we will introduce you to what you should keep clean for a few minutes. Cleaning and keeping your house tidy is a very important habit, not only to protect the health of you and your family, but also to create a comfortable space to live in. Dust and bacteria collect every day. Keep in mind that some household items need to be washed and sterilized daily. Today, I would like to introduce you to 9 household items that you need to clean every day. 1. Kitchen towel. It is one of the most frequently washed items. Many microorganisms are contained in the fiber. As a result, our hands can ingest bacteria that can cause illness into our bodies. 2. Key. It's one of the dirtiest things in the house. The key is to spread viruses and bacteria not only in our hands but also in our pockets and bags. Wash it daily with soap or wipe it frequently with a disinfectant wet tissue. 3. Kitchen sponge. It is one of the most polluted things in the kitchen. But ironically, we are trying to use the contaminated ones to clean others. It contains food debris, dirt, and water, creating a suitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms to grow. If the sponge is used as is without washing it properly, it increases the risk of developing gastrointestinal and viral diseases. 4. Sink. Many people think that a sink is a place where the detergent is flowing frequently, so it will not get dirty easily. Bacteria and fungi grow easily on wet surfaces. 5. Coffee maker. An ideal environment for the growth of health-threatening bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. Must be cleaned daily. 6. Cutting board. It is home to hundreds of health-threatening microbes and fungi. Microorganisms grow on it at a very high speed. You can easily disinfect the cutting board by using the antibacterial properties of lemon and vinegar. 7. Makeup brush. Makeup brushes come in contact with your skin and are ideal for daily washing. Old keratin and bacteria on the skin are transferred to the brush. 8. Toilet. Bacteria and mold are more likely to grow. You may also be worried about unpleasant odors, so be sure to clean them often. 9. Bath tiles. Wet bath tiles are home to bacteria and microbes. I think it's clear that the toilet is easy to get dirty,